Double-hung window installation in Redmond, WA, is a specialty service offered by local window contractors. These experts provide comprehensive window replacement services, ensuring that your home benefits from energy-efficient windows. Whether you need vinyl double-hung windows or wooden double-hung windows, Redmond's professionals are equipped to handle all your window needs. Many homeowners choose double-hung windows Redmond for their style, functionality, and long-lasting performance. Window installation services in Redmond are essential for maintaining the integrity and functionality of your windows. From window frame installation to window glass replacement, Redmond WA residents can rely on skilled technicians to restore their windows to optimal condition. Insulated window services and window hardware installation are also available to enhance the performance of your windows. For lasting results, trust the experts in double-hung windows Redmond to deliver top-quality service. Custom window solutions in Redmond WA offer homeowners the opportunity to personalize their window installations. With a variety of double-hung window styles and double-hung window brands, Redmond residents can choose the perfect fit for their homes. Window design consultation services are available to guide you through the selection process, ensuring that your windows complement your home's aesthetic. Choosing double-hung windows Redmond ensures a perfect combination of beauty and efficiency. Energy-efficient windows in Redmond WA are a popular choice for those looking to reduce energy costs and improve home comfort. Double-hung window upgrades and window sealing services in Redmond WA are designed to enhance the energy efficiency of your home. Window weatherproofing Redmond services further protect your home from the elements, ensuring long-lasting performance. Many double-hung windows Redmond options feature advanced insulation technology for maximum savings. Affordable window options in Redmond are available for homeowners seeking cost-effective solutions. Local window contractors in Redmond offer competitive pricing on a range of services, including window sash replacement and window maintenance Redmond WA. With a focus on quality and affordability, these experts provide value-driven solutions for all your window needs. Selecting double-hung windows Redmond can be a smart investment for budget-conscious homeowners. Window renovation experts in Redmond are skilled in transforming outdated windows into modern, efficient installations. Double-hung window installation Redmond WA services include window measurement services Redmond WA to ensure a perfect fit. Window installation warranty Redmond provides peace of mind, guaranteeing the quality and durability of your new windows. With double-hung windows Redmond, you can expect a flawless upgrade that boosts both form and function. Vinyl double-hung windows Redmond and wooden double-hung windows Redmond WA are popular choices for homeowners seeking both style and functionality. These materials offer durability and aesthetic appeal, making them ideal for any home. Double-hung window experts Redmond are available to assist with selection and installation, ensuring a seamless process. Many double-hung windows Redmond installations are custom-tailored to fit unique home designs. Window maintenance services in Redmond WA are crucial for prolonging the life of your windows. Regular maintenance, including window sealing services and window weatherproofing Redmond, helps prevent damage and maintain efficiency. Trust the professionals in Redmond to keep your double-hung windows Redmond in top condition year-round with routine care and expert attention. Window frame installation Redmond WA and window hardware installation Redmond WA are essential services for maintaining the structural integrity of your windows. Skilled technicians in Redmond provide expert installations, ensuring that your windows function properly and look great. Whether you need minor installations or complete overhauls, double-hung windows Redmond specialists have the skills and tools to get the job done. Looking for double-hung window installation in Redmond WA? Our local window contractors specialize in providing top-notch window replacement services and custom window solutions. Whether you need vinyl double-hung windows or wooden double-hung windows, we offer a wide range of double-hung window styles to suit your needs. Our double-hung windows Redmond experts ensure a seamless installation process with a comprehensive window installation warranty. Energy-efficient windows are essential for reducing energy costs and enhancing comfort in your home. Our energy-efficient windows in Redmond WA are designed to provide superior insulation and weatherproofing. We offer insulated window services and window sealing services to ensure your windows are performing at their best. Trust our window renovation experts in Redmond to upgrade your home with the latest double-hung windows Redmond technology. Window installation services in Redmond are crucial for maintaining the integrity of your windows. Our window installation Redmond team offers window frame installation, window glass replacement, and window hardware installation to keep your windows in top condition. We also provide window sash replacement and window maintenance services to extend the life of your windows. For affordable window options, our double-hung windows Redmond installations combine quality and cost-effectiveness. Custom window solutions in Redmond WA are available for those seeking unique designs and functionality. Our window design consultation services help you choose the perfect windows for your home. We offer window measurement services to ensure a perfect fit and double-hung window upgrades to enhance your home's aesthetic and energy efficiency. Many homeowners choose our double-hung windows Redmond services for a tailored, high-performance solution. Vinyl double-hung windows Redmond and wooden double-hung windows Redmond WA are popular choices for homeowners seeking durability and style. Our window maintenance Redmond WA services ensure your windows remain in excellent condition year-round. With our window weatherproofing Redmond services, you can protect your home from the elements. Explore our range of double-hung windows Redmond products to find the ideal match for your home. For window glass replacement Redmond WA and window frame installation Redmond WA, our team is ready to assist. We provide window hardware installation Redmond WA and window sash replacement Redmond WA to address any issues you may encounter. Our window sealing services Redmond WA and window weatherproofing Redmond ensure your home remains energy efficient and comfortable. Trust our double-hung windows Redmond experts for reliable service and exceptional results.